Hello everyone, today I will show you how to use Python and ChatGPT to post automatic comments on Instagram on your behalf during your sleep. Come on! As you probably already know, one of the activities that will make you grow on Instagram is frequently posting comments on similar profiles. That way you can boost your exposure among the people who are already interested in your niche. As a software developer, I was thinking about the ways to automate this process. Every social platform gives you the ability to interact with it programmatically via the API, that is Application Programming Interface. It means that your Python code can directly access the Instagram server and use certain endpoints that are currently available. For example, you are able to search for the newest posts that contain certain hashtags. So if you are running Instagram profile about mountain biking, you can search for posts that contain MTB, cycling, downhill, enduro hashtags in them. The server will return specified amount of posts following your criteria. Having those information, you are then able to post automatic comments on your behalf to these particular entries. The problem is how to come up with the comments that feel organic, instead of posting trivial things like cool, you rock, awesome, and so on and so forth. Let's ask ChatGPT to generate the comments for us. So let's dive into the code and I will show you step by step how to do this. Disclaimer: I discourage you from any spamming activities, so before trying this, please make sure that you are not violating any community guidelines of your social network. Okay, so here we got our code. So first thing you need is the Instagram API. So this is the library that will allow you to connect to the Instagram server, and the second thing is the OpenAI library, so that we'll be able to ask ChatGPT for our comments. So as you can see here, in order to connect to Instagram, we need to create the client, then log in with our username and password. This is the same username and password as you will use in your mobile app. And then we can invoke the hashtag medias recent method with the argument. Here will be our hashtag and the number of posts that we would like to receive, and then we can just access the post ID so that we will be able to post our comment to this particular ID. So this is really easy. The second thing is asking the ChatGPT to generate our comments. In order to do that, you need to obtain your own API key. You have to register on the OpenAI site, create the account, and get your application key. Unfortunately, it's not free, but it's like $5, so it's not big money. Okay, and the most interesting part here is, of course, the prompt. So we would like to ask ChatGPT for the comments, but the essential part is here that we will receive it in a form that we will be able to parse into our Python code. So I asked ChatGPT to generate the comments in the form of structured data, JSON like, and I provided here the example JSON, so it will be number and the comment. So we will get the list. It will be 1 first comment, 2 second comment, 3, and so on. So let's try this prompt on the ChatGPT. After many trial and error, I'll come up with something like this. So for example, we can invoke generate 2 comments for Instagram MTB post regarding struggle in the past in informal slang in the form of structured data JSON like number comment without any other text. Okay, so let's see. So as we can see here, ChatGPT generated for us beautiful looking JSON, so that we will be able to parse it in our program. Okay, but let's try maybe this prompt with some additional variables. So instead of MTB, we will, I don't know, put here sailing regarding competition. And voila, we've got the comments for the posts about sailing regarding the competition. So it's completely different, but still looks kinda organic. So as you can see, you can use this application for any topic of Instagram profile. It can be sailing, it can be cooking, it can be mountain biking, it can be whatever you want. Okay, so let's get back to PyCharm and I will show you how to actually post a comment automatically. So in order to do that, you just need to invoke the media comment method on our client instance. In order to do that, you need the media ID and comment in the form of string, so that we can just go through all of our medias that we received from our Instagram server and apply to it one of the comments that was returned from the ChatGPT. So additionally, to make it a little bit more human-alike, so that the comments will not just come up one after another, we can put here some random interval between each post. So here I just introduce the variable that gives you the ability to specify the max interval minutes. So it will be, for example, 10 minutes. So each time this for loop will go, it will just choose the random number between 0 and 10 and multiply it by 60 seconds, so that each post will be separated from one another by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 10 minutes, so that Instagram will think that this is the real human action. Okay, so let's now try to run this program. Okay, so the problem finished processing, so let's go to the Instagram and check our comments. So here is the result of our application. We can see 2 comments on 2 posts about the mountain biking. So it works. So I hope you like it. If so, please hit that like button, and if you are interested in some more crazy programming stuff, please subscribe to my channel. Additionally, check the description. I have put there the link to my GitHub repo where you can find this code and deploy it on your local machine. See you next time. Peace.